Hi, for today's video, we're going to make some scrambled eggs with veggies, bacon, and cheese. The veggies we're going to use today are vanilla onions and some carrots. So let's get our mise en place ready and get ready to assemble everything. Start with some grade A fresh eggs. We've got our onion. I use baby carrots because they're nice and easy, already peeled. Some Mexican cheese blend, our carrots, we got salt, pepper, and we use chia seeds. Helps with hydration and gives you some extra vitamins. Also, have your favorite knife out. Mine happens to be a Chinese cleaver, and then we're set to go. You cut off the two ends of the onion, and then when you cut it in half, you can peel off the outer skin that you don't want real easily. And if you get a crappy part of the onion, just cut that out. Okay, so we're gonna dice up our onion. Nice little dices. And since I'm only making a few servings, that's all we're gonna need. Set that aside for later. And then the other thing they wanted was some carrots. What I found easiest is a handful of baby carrots. That way they're already peeled, everything's ready, and we just have to dice this up. You get a few little extra sizes, some good texture. And we're done. All right, let's assemble our omelet. Well, we're going to start by getting a nice little knob of butter into our pan. Butter makes everything better. All I had laying around today was the carrots and onions, so that's all we're going to use, but you could use some celery and peppers and lots of other vegetables. We're just going to let that cook down a little bit. If you want, you can add just a touch of salt. Pepper here, it'll add to the layers. And we're going to go back in and add some of that later into the eggs. I forgot a book. Thank you.
That's why you need a cameraman.
That's why we need a cameraman. You're gonna have to move. Now, the way I crack the eggs, always on a flat surface. Just give it a little tap, and that way it doesn't create jagged edges and you get shells on your eggs. Here again, you can use a fork, which I'm going to do, or a whisk. A whisk will get a little bit more air into it, but when you're used to using a fork, you can beat some pretty good air into it as well. Alright, now that we've gotten that done, we can go ahead and add in our eggs. And these will start cooking pretty quick. Touch more salt. A little ground pepper. And I'm adding chia seeds. They help hydrate you. They help with lots of vitamin C, some other things, other nutrients. Now, while that's still liquidy, I'm going to add in some bacon. Shameless advertising, I'm using Kirkland bacon crumbles, so that's already done, but if you want to cook your bacon, you can do that too. Okay, and that is pretty much it, but we're going to add just a little cheese. All the cover is going to do is keep in the humidity that's coming off, that you're baking off, and it's going to help melt that cheese a little bit. So I hope you've enjoyed. If you liked our video, smash the like button and hit subscribe and help us out on our channel. Hopefully we'll be making more of these, and we're looking toward maybe making some pizza next time. And so join us for a how-to on making pizza with a 6-year-old. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back soon.